Welcome back to Global Bike Biz, the place where legends are not just remembered, they are reborn. Today's motorcycle is not just a machine, it's a heartbeat from history brought into the modern era. We're talking about the 2026 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead, a name that changed motorcycling forever and now returns with a bold blend of heritage, engineering, and unmistakable attitude. This is a bike that doesn't chase trends or numbers, it revives a feeling, a culture, and a legacy that shaped the world of two wheels. From the very first glance, the 2026 Knucklehead announces its identity without saying a word. This bike carries the soul of the original 1936 Knucklehead, the first Harley-Davidson with overhead valves, but it has been carefully reimagined for riders who live in today's world. The silhouette is unmistakable, long, low, and muscular, with proportions that instantly remind you of classic American cruisers. The teardrop fuel tank sits proudly at the center, wearing the Harley-Davidson badge like a medal of honor. Chrome and brushed metal dominate the visual language, reflecting light in a way that feels almost nostalgic, while deep, rich paint options like midnight black, vintage cream, and the limited-run heritage red give the bike a timeless presence that feels straight out of Harley's golden era. The attention to detail is impossible to ignore. From the exposed metal components to the carefully shaped fenders and spoke wheels, every element feels intentional. This is not a motorcycle designed on a computer screen alone, it feels sculpted, mechanical, and honest. Even standing still, the Knucklehead has presence. It looks heavy, powerful, and purposeful, the kind of bike that commands respect at a traffic light and draws a crowd when parked. The engine is where the legend truly comes alive. At the heart of the 2026 Knucklehead sits a newly developed 1,800 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin, inspired directly by the original Knucklehead design but built with modern tolerances, materials, and reliability standards. The iconic rocker box shape that gave the Knucklehead its name is faithfully recreated, instantly recognizable to Harley enthusiasts. Beneath that classic exterior, however, lies advanced engineering designed to deliver consistent performance and long-term durability. Harley has tuned this engine for massive low-end torque, delivering around 155 Nm of torque, making every twist of the throttle feel raw, mechanical, and deeply satisfying. Horsepower figures hover around 90 HP, but this bike isn't about chasing top-end speed or lap times. It's about the sensation, the sound, and the intimate connection between rider and machine. Fire it up, and the exhaust note tells you everything you need to know. That deep, uneven V-twin rumble is pure Harley-Davidson, slow and loping at idle, thunderous under load, and unmistakable on the open road. It's the kind of sound that turns heads long before the bike comes into view. Harley has carefully engineered the exhaust system to meet modern emission standards without sacrificing the emotional soundtrack that Knucklehead fans demand. Each pulse of the engine feels alive, almost organic, reminding you that this motorcycle is as much about emotion as it is about performance. Power is delivered through a smooth and robust 6-speed gearbox, paired with a belt final drive that ensures durability, reduced vibration, and minimal maintenance. Gear shifts feel solid and deliberate, adding to the mechanical character of the bike. The clutch is surprisingly light for such a large V-twin, making slow-speed riding in city traffic far more manageable than you might expect. On highways, the Knucklehead settles into a relaxed cruising rhythm, with the engine comfortably humming along and barely breaking a sweat. This is a motorcycle built for long rides, endless highways, empty roads, and moments where time seems to slow down and the journey matters more than the destination. The chassis of the 2026 Knucklehead blends old-school rigidity with modern comfort. Harley-Davidson has used a steel double cradle frame that visually echoes classic designs but benefits from updated geometry and reinforcement. The bike feels planted and stable, even at higher speeds. The suspension setup includes a telescopic front fork tuned for stability and predictable handling, while the rear features cleverly hidden monoshock technology that preserves the hardtail look without punishing the rider's spine. The result is a ride that feels authentic and classic, yet far from uncomfortable or outdated. Braking performance is another area where modern technology quietly steps in without stealing the spotlight. The Knucklehead comes equipped with dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc, supported by standard ABS. The braking feel is progressive and confidence-inspiring, giving the rider plenty of control without feeling abrupt or intrusive. The riding position is pure cruiser perfection. Wide handlebars place your hands in a natural, relaxed position, while the low seat height of around 690 mm makes the bike accessible to a wide range of riders. Forward-mounted foot controls allow you to stretch out and settle into the ride, whether you're cruising through city streets or covering long distances on the highway. The seat itself is deeply cushioned and upholstered in classic-style leather, offering comfort for extended rides while perfectly matching the bike's vintage aesthetic. Design details are where the 2026 Knucklehead truly shines and separates itself from generic retro motorcycles. The round LED headlamp retains a vintage shape but delivers modern brightness and clarity for night riding. The analog speedometer sits proudly on the fuel tank, just like the classics, paired with a discrete digital display that shows gear position, fuel level, trip information, and essential warnings. Customization has always been a core part of Harley-Davidson culture, and the Knucklehead fully embraces this tradition. Harley offers a wide range of factory accessories, including multiple exhaust options, custom seats, different handlebar styles, saddlebags, windshields, and period-correct cosmetic upgrades. Whether you want a showpiece that looks like it rolled straight out of the 1940s or a personalized cruiser for everyday riding, the Knucklehead provides a solid foundation for self-expression. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a large displacement V-twin, with Harley claiming around 18 to 20 km per liter under mixed riding conditions. The fuel tank capacity of approximately 14 liters ensures a decent riding range, making the bike suitable for weekend touring and long highway stretches. This motorcycle isn't designed to be economical above all else, but it strikes a thoughtful balance between performance, usability, and practicality. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects, the price. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead is expected to be priced around $24,500 internationally. In markets like Pakistan, after import duties, taxes, and dealer margins, the price could exceed 9 million Pakistani rupees. This firmly positions the Knucklehead as a premium, enthusiast-focused motorcycle aimed at collectors, Harley loyalists, and riders who value history, craftsmanship, and emotional connection as much as horsepower. What truly sets the 2026 Knucklehead apart is its unique selling point, authenticity. This is not just a retro-styled motorcycle pretending to be old. It is a respectful revival of one of the most important engines and models in Harley-Davidson history. Harley hasn't diluted the experience with unnecessary electronics or modern gimmicks. Instead, they have carefully chosen where to modernize and where to preserve tradition, creating a motorcycle that feels timeless rather than trendy. For riders who crave a deep mechanical connection, for those who appreciate the rhythm of a V-twin engine and the weight of history beneath them, the Knucklehead delivers something that very few modern motorcycles can. It's not the fastest bike, not the lightest, and not the most technologically advanced, but it offers something far more valuable: character, soul, and a story you can feel every time you ride. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most iconic names in motorcycling, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is Global Bike Biz, where every ride has a story, and every story starts with two wheels.